మనకి ఎందుకన్నా గన్లు. What's up guys? वैसे ये मैंने वीडियो टेक्निकली रिकॉर्ड किया था 10th मई को, बट मैंने सोचा अभी डालना पता नहीं क्यों कोई दिक्कत हो जाएगा, तो इंडिया जाने के टाइम पे मैं डालूँगा शायद, और अगर आप देख रहे हैं तो उसी टाइम लाइन के आसपास होगा ये. बट एनीवे मैंने सोचा कि यूएस में है और यहाँ पे गन्स बहुत पॉपुलर है, तो मैं भी एक शॉपिंग कर लेता हूँ, एक ख़रीद के देखता हूँ. तो इसीलिए हम आज आए हैं यहाँ पे एकेडमी स्पोर्ट्स. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ गन्स नहीं बल्कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलते हैं. फॉर अ गुड कंपैरिजन इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक डेकाथलॉन मच मोर बिगर. और यहाँ पे फायर आर्म्स और राइफल्स भी मिलते हैं. वैसे डिस्क्लेमर दे दूँ पहले, ये एक्चुअल गन नहीं है. ये एक एयरसॉफ्ट गन है, बट इट्स अ वेरी गुड रेप्लिका ऑफ द ओरिजिनल वंस. इट्स अ Glock 19. That's some DZ, I don't know. Glock 19, 19X. Looking for more of Glock 17. Okay, this is Glock 19. Nope. ये सारे असली गन से भाई. ये सारे एमुनिशन है.
దీంట్లో ఉన్నాయి దీంట్లో లేవు మీకు ఖాళీ అది రోజు బుల్లెట్ ఉంది.
क्रेजी एमओ है भाई यहाँ पे. These are what do you mean? Fucking huge. You're in the vlog bro, so you can't escape now. तो यहाँ पे जो मुझे मॉडल चाहिए था वो तो नहीं मिल रही, बट एक और जगह है यहाँ पे जहाँ हम सोच रहे कि जाके देख लेंगे एक बार. I mean, अभी लेने का सोचा है तो फिर कुछ देखे ले ही लेंगे जो पसंद आया वो. वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव है. एनीवे नॉट एज एक्सपेंसिव एज इन इंडिया. इंडिया में जब मैं वो देख रहा था तो 55,000 रुपीज़ की है, बट एनीवे यहाँ पे समवेयर अराउंड 8 to 10,000 मे बी. सो वेरी चीप इन दैट सेंस. तो यहाँ पे आए हैं, इट्स कॉल्ड बास और समथिंग. वेलकम टू फिशरमैन हंटर्स एंड अदर लायर्स. क्रेजी स्टोर है भाई. ये एकदम टिपिकल अमेरिकन स्टोर लग रहा है. क्या सेक्सी है भाई इसका. दिस टू गुड आउटलुक ऑफ दिस. इट्स प्रीटी गुड डिज़ाइन. इट्स टू गुड. Look at there, there's a waterfall too. Huge place bro, like legit बहुत बड़ी जगह है. हर एक चीज़ अवेलेबल है रिलेटेड टू फिशिंग या हंटिंग और जो जनरल स्पोर्ट्स है, ऑल ऑफ दोज. बहुत बढ़िया जगह है ये तो. एनीबडी इज़ इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट यू कैन जस्ट कम हियर. सो अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पे भी Glock 19 ही अवेलेबल है, which is not like a very good successful model, which is why I'm assuming they're not available offline. लेकिन मैं ऑनलाइन पे देखा था, यहाँ से थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, बट मुझे जो मॉडल चाहिए वो मिल रहा था. एक और बार मैं यहाँ के लोकल स्टोर्स में कॉल करके पूछूंगा कि इफ़ दे माइट हैव द मॉडल अवेलेबल. अगर हाँ तो वहाँ जाके ले लूँगा, या तो फिर ऑनलाइन पे ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. It sounds a little more of a waiting than this one.
Ammo here.
Ammo, yeah.
This is a red tip ammo,
Oh, wow.
which is different from the.
Which is dangerous.
Which is much dangerous.
Yeah.
We have a 5.56 mm ammo over here, which is
Uh-huh.
a green tip over here.
Which is green safe.
No, but this is a piercing one. This is armor piercing.
What the Damn.
And these are normal, according to my knowledge. If I'm wrong, please don't troll me.
Don't quote me on it.
Yeah, but he's taking the biggest 150 cal.
One eternity later.
So I also bought the cartridges along with the CO2 cartridges, जो 12 count है. I bought the 6,000 count heavy, the copperhead steel BBs. They're copper coated steel BBs. This itself is the piece. So this is a Glock 17. It's with the blowback and metal slide. This is the Gen 4. So let's unbox this one. So finally, the guns here. Let's see. Let's unbox this. There's no unboxing, to be honest. It's just unpacking, more like. थोड़ा ऑयल है इसमें. तो यहाँ से जो मैंने निकाला था अंदर से, I've gotten these safety instructions जो पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है, और एक CO2 cartridge लिया मैंने. इसके अंदर भी था ये Allen की, जो you could just take the magazine out. You can just from the bottom of it you can open this, unlock this, unscrew the cap, and then just insert the CO2. Place the cap on top, make sure it's correctly threaded. I'm trying, bro. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Fast.
Oh shit. Yeah. Okay, let's put this back in. So I can just put the cap and lock it. Finally, it's set, and it's currently on safety. You can see there's a plug here that you can turn it down or up to turn on the safety or turn off the safety. So it's currently showing S, so that's on safety. I guess slide it upwards to lock this. It will go, I guess. I don't know. Wait, will it shoot? No, without bullets, will it go? That's pretty solid, I would say. Damn. और दो extra grips भी दिया है, which will increase the width of this, so you can have a fatter grip or a fatter grip. You know the point. So yeah, and now it won't shoot if I don't.
It will.
It will?
Yeah. Semi-automatic it will.
I think I should avoid guns. So we can just put these bullets in it, BB balls one by one using the small hole over here. But that's generally about it. Let's try and load a few. I don't want to shoot anything right now. Probably set up a target and then get back to you guys with that one. Okay, so अभी हम जा रहे हैं थोड़ा टेस्ट फायरिंग करने के लिए. We are still in our housing community, as you can see. The one that's walking right in front over there. Yeah, that's Chaitanya CK. Or he actually bought a similar BB gun before, and after looking at that, I wanted one for myself too. So that's when. So I thought now both of us have it. So we'll just go try and have a test fire. Damn, I didn't even know this existed behind our housing community. Thanks to CK. Let's see where this leads us. I hope there's no alligators or snakes or something like that over here. So it's just, this is the first time that I'm looking at a place like this, but it's pretty nice, pretty isolated, I would say. A good shooting spot, shooting practice. This is just a BB gun. This isn't a real one for shooting practice, aiming practice and things like that. But again, it's more dangerous than the plastic BBs that we used to get in India, जो 50-100 रुपए 200 रुपए वाले guns होते हैं. So that's Kushal carrying a target bottle. Yeah.
You can hear the sound on to the tree.
Yeah, bro. I hope this should be good to go. Okay, jammed a little bit there, but oh yeah. That was a good one.
Safety on.
Safety on. Safety on. And I'll just pull this back. Oh damn. Shit, bro. I thought for a second it was jammed. All because of the bullets. But we'll try and reload the magazine again and see how it might work. And
We'll shoot
I'll
on the
post another
comfort
pic.
bottle.
Yeah, the comfort bottle. Yeah, let's try that one. Let's try a POV shot.
Through. Good. Upar.
Ah,